all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive.
Hey, what's up? Fat Boy Dan here. I'm with my buddy Justin. We're at the 2008 Demolition Derby, and we're talking about Demolition Derby as in lawnmowers. That's right, redneck style. Got my buddy Justin's big old lawnmower. You want to tell us a little bit about what you got?
Right on, buddy. Hey, this is my 1984 Craftsman 16 valve. I got the wheel weights on the back. You know what I'm saying? I got my screwdriver. In case it dies, you know what I'm saying? Just start back up. You know what I'm saying? We ready to rock and roll.
Looks like it's going to be a good show.
Over here. Who is it? I think we got James is over here. Hey, James.
You got your back here. Now I'm going to take a look at James, who's going to be entering the Derby too, and check out his little, clunker junker redneck style. Check it out.
Hey, it's a beast, though. It's a beast.
1967 Impala. A little bit thinner up, but she don't do the trick.
It's called the Weed Eater Beater.
Electric start.
Well, we don't know how to choke it right now. We're just going to find out. We've been through some demolition derbies and everything. We're just out here having fun. We got lined up ATVs /lawnmowers. Sounds pretty good. We're going to get here. We're going to do a little bit of running, test driving them. We're about ready. As you see, we got all the crowds, everybody. Good turnout, come out. 2008 Mower Derby. We're out. One down. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. 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 Down. Down. Woo. Oh, look at that! Another one down. Alright, now we're down. We got 4 of my buddies in there with some guy that we don't even know what's going on. Looks like we got a real good chance of winning. Big prize award too. We'll show you later. Oh my God, they got all the boys out here now. We're the police. That was our friends out here. They didn't hit anybody in 90 seconds. Yeah. We didn't hit nobody in 90 seconds. Oh shit. Die. All right, James done. All right, here we are. Race is over and everything. You know the derby's over. Coming out. Looks like my buddies, they placed pretty good. What place you get, Justin?
Man, I did all right today, man. I got in there and got a couple good hits. Came in 4th place today. Overall, I'm not real happy. Got my $25 back. Got the hardest hitter trophy too, so I knocked the boy over.
Got disqualified though from, he didn't hit nobody in 90 seconds. Forgot about the rules for a minute. Dr. Smack, having a good old time. And James, what'd you place?
3rd place, Chief.
3rd place right there. James on the weed eater beater.
Hey,
He still got it though. You seen the footage with the tires being flat and everything? Fun time. Next show, we're coming out even better. Fat Boy Dan, he's gonna be in the next one. So y'all keep tuned. There's gonna be more. We can't wait for the next Redneck riding.
Catfish from dusk till dawn. And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive.